Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes this week, we somehow ended up talking about beauty treatments, and a student of mine mentioned the fact that every couple of weeks she goes to get her nails done because there's a nail bar near where she lives, and one of her ex-students, who she became quite friendly with, works there, and the ex-student always does her nails when she goes in. At this point I stopped and asked her, "So, do you get mates rates as a result?" Mates rates basically means a specially discounted rate for a service or for some goods, where basically you get something cheaper from somebody because they're a mate of yours, because they're a friend of yours. So maybe, for example, you have a hole in your roof and you know you need to get it repaired, but you can't really afford to pay full whack for it. But luckily, you have a friend who's a builder, and maybe, if you ask nicely, he'll do it for you and give you mates rates. Maybe you meet a friend and they've got a new laptop and you ask them, "Oh, is that new?" "Wow, new second hand. How much did you pay for it?" "Oh, I got it dirt cheap. I got it from Kenny and he did it for me at mates rates." I know also that lots of tradesmen, people who work in the building trade, carpenters, electricians, those kinds of guys, they often have to choose between offering mates rates and making a living, because obviously they can't spend their entire working lives doing work on the cheap for friends. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use mates rates.